Welcome to ArtMagix.
Drawing a cute unicorn donut can be a fun and creative activity for kids. Follow these easy steps to create your very own adorable unicorn donut, and don't forget to color it in to bring it to life. Draw a large circle. This will be the outer edge of your donut. Draw a smaller circle inside the first one, leaving enough space for the donut ring. This inner circle will be the hole of the donut. At the top center of the donut, draw a small, curved triangle for the unicorn's horn. Add a few lines inside the triangle to give it a spiral effect. On either side of the horn, draw two small triangles for the unicorn's ears. Add a smaller triangle inside each ear to show the inner ear. Draw a wavy line around the top part of the donut to show where the frosting ends. Make it look drippy and fun. Color the horn in bright, magical colors like yellow, pink, or rainbow. Color the donut itself in a light brown or tan color to represent the dough. Choose your favorite color for the frosting: pink, purple, blue, or any other color you love. Use different bright colors for the sprinkles to make the donut look festive and fun. By following these steps, you'll have a cute and colorful unicorn donut that you can be proud of. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagix Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.